Hello Munchkins, I hope you are doing great. This video, it's gonna be expressions with por. If you don't understand when to use por instead of para, I invite you to watch the other video I made. With that one, you are not gonna have any doubt when to use it. I remind you that I already have my website, so I invite you to go, check it, and book your lessons. And also, I invite you to subscribe to my channel to keep enjoying all this content I'm making for you. I'm gonna tell you all the expressions we're gonna check, and then we're gonna have examples with each. First one, por lo menos, por adelantado, por lo visto, por ahí, por aquí, por medio de, por casualidad, por cierto y por poco. Let's start with por lo menos. As you saw in the chart I made for you with all those expressions, por lo menos, it's gonna mean at least, okay? So, let's check an example. Por lo menos, tengo un descuento en mi siguiente ticket. This means, at least I have a discount in my next ticket. You're gonna hear that also sometimes people say al menos o por lo menos. Siguiente, por adelantado. In advance. For example, you have to pay the class in advance. Tienes que pagar la clase por adelantado. Por lo visto. Por lo visto means apparent. So, for example, you can say, por lo visto, no va a venir. So, apparently, he's not gonna show up. Por ahí. So, if you're in the center and someone asks you, hey, where is the bank? You can say, por ahí. So, over there. And we have por aquí. Por aquí, it's this way. When I'm walking with my friends, normally I'm the one who knows where we need to go, so we are walking and then they keep walking and I'm like, no, por aquí, por aquí. So, this way. Por aquí, this way. Por medio de. This means through, okay? And also sometimes in Spanish, you're gonna hear how people can say either por medio de o a través de. I'm gonna give you two examples. First one, I solved my immigration problem through an agent, okay? Resolví mi problema de migración por medio de un agente o a través de un agente. Resolví mi problema de migración a través de un agente. Siguiente ejemplo. I pay my Spanish lessons through an app. Pago mis clases de español por medio de una app. Pago mis clases de español a través de una app. Por casualidad. Por casualidad means by chance. So, let's say that you come to my house and I ask you, what do you want to drink? And you maybe say, do you have whiskey by chance? So, the way you say it, it will be, de casualidad, ¿tienes whiskey? And no, I just have mezcal. So, another example. When you go and you want to ask in a pharmacy or in a store if they have something, you can say, de casualidad, tiene ibuprofen, if it's a pharmacy, de casualidad, tienen ibuprofeno? Or if you are in a store and you are looking for milk, you don't know where's the milk. Is it that you are looking for a specific type of milk, like almond milk? You can ask, ¿de casualidad tienen leche de almendras? Por cierto. Por cierto. This means by the way. Por cierto, el viernes no podré ir. So, by the way, I cannot go on Friday. Y nuestra última expresión, por poco o por poquito. It's exactly the same, but in one we are saying por poquito. Remember that for us in Mexico, we like to make everything small. It doesn't matter if it's small. I have a golden retriever and I always call him mi perrito, so my little dog. He's not small at all. And so we normally can say por poco or por poquito, okay? Means exactly the same. And this means almost, when you were super close to do something or to arrive somewhere. Let's check this example. Por poco llegamos a tiempo. Por poquito llegamos a tiempo. I hope you enjoyed this content I'm making for you. Thank you so much, Munchkins. See you in the next video.